This is my Honeygain paper payment proof. I be using ATM P2P paper method. If you are using normal paper to withdraw your Honeygain, you'll be charged 15%. But this method will save you over 90% of that charges. Let me show you exactly how to achieve that. You can withdraw your money from Honeygain to your paper account using ATM P2P paper method in two major ways. This is why I be using my two Honeygain profile to explain this. The first one is you gathering your earnings using Honeygain wallet mode. That is by directing your earnings to your Honeygain wallet. If you do that, you must wait until your earnings reaches $20 before you can cash out. You can see I'm having almost $22 in this account, and this earnings is going directly to my Honeygain wallet. That is, I've already enabled Honeygain mode on this account. So all I need to do to cash out is to click request payout. You can see you will get to this page. To request a payout of $21.97, you have two options. Either you withdraw to paper or to JMPT token. The paper will charge you 15% of this money, but our objective is to bypass withdrawing to paper so that we can avoid these 15% charges. To do that, you will not choose paper for now. You will select JMPT token, and you can see it is free. It is until after you've withdrawn the money to your JMPT wallet. I will now take you through how to move your money from there to your paper account. You'll be able to avoid paying 15% and your money will still get to your paper account. For you to watch how to withdraw your Honeygain to your JMPT wallet, watch this video. That is, you'll be able to withdraw your JMPT token to your MetaMask step by step. I'll be explaining the second method. This is my Honeygain on another device which is different from the first one. You can observe that I'm collecting and gathering my earnings on this Honeygain directly to my JumpTask wallet. That implies that I've enabled JumpTask mode on this my Honeygain profile page. Watch this video to learn how to enable JumpTask mode inside Honeygain. You'll be able to switch between Honeygain wallet or JumpTask wallet inside Honeygain. Immediately you do that, this your Honeygain earnings will be reflecting here automatically, but it's going to be at the rate of JMPT token. That is the live current price of this JMPT reward token. The advantage here is that I be getting a bonus of 10% on my earnings, and also all these earnings they are in JMPT token, and I can withdraw any amount from 0.5 JMPT token. The disadvantage is that if JMPT token, this token you can see on this exchange, if it crash to zero, my money will reduce drastically. I be using this my earnings on this JumpTask wallet to demonstrate how to withdraw to your paper account without the 15% charges step by step. You will need to set up a MetaMask wallet or any wallet of your choosing. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using MetaMask wallet. This is where you add the network. The default network that will come with your MetaMask is Ethereum. I'll be using Binance BNB chain network. As soon as you are on BNB chain network, you will make sure that you have some money like $1 plus of this BNB token, so as be able to take fee for you to do your transaction on Binance network. Watch this video to learn how to buy BNB and transfer to your MetaMask to make provision for fee that is required for this transaction. The next thing you need to do is to add your JMPT token, that is this token. So you need to add this token on your wallet under BNB chain network, because that is what JumpTask will pay you with, so that you can transfer these funds that is from Honeygain, so that you can transfer it to your MetaMask. You will need to add the JMPT token on your MetaMask. To do that, you scroll down, token imported. You can see it here. Watch this video for you to add and import your JMPT token to MetaMask. You can watch that video later. So the next thing to do is to link your JMPT token address on this wallet. This is MetaMask. You copy it here to link it to your JumpTask wallet here. So you click here. You see your email to be sure it's yours. Look at this place. Wallet is missing. This is what you are going to see. You will click add. That is to add your wallet. You can see MetaMask, and you have option for other other wallet. For the purpose of this video, I'm using MetaMask. You click add. If you go back, look at it. So your JMPT token or MetaMask address has been linked to your JumpTask wallet. This is it. Please watch this video. You will learn how to connect any wallet to your JumpTask. It is better to use MetaMask. The next thing you need to do is to withdraw this money to your MetaMask. So you come here to withdraw, you come here, you scroll down. The amount is approximately $11 plus. You click withdraw. Look at it. This is the wallet. This is the fee. Look how low the fee is compared to you using direct paper. Then this is the amount you are going to get on your wallet. So you click withdraw. Transfer in progress. You can go back to your MetaMask to see. Look at it. The money has reflected at the destination address that is inside MetaMask. You can see the amount has changed to $12 plus. So you've successfully withdraw your money from JumpTask here to your MetaMask, and the amount is here. The objective is to add your funds on MetaMask. So you click add. You scroll down. You browse. You select Binance coin. The amount you are expecting is 11.5. You note this amount. You scroll down. If you are okay with this exchange rate, you click continue. It's going to take you 4 stages to get these funds from your MetaMask wallet to your ATM wallet. So the money is now here. This money is still on JMPT token. You have to swap it to BNB native token. To do that, you click JMPT. This is the amount. To swap, you click swap. You click maximum. You are taking all the money. You select destination token, which is BNB. This is the quote rate. This is the gas fee. Look at how cheap it is, and this is the maximum fee. Don't forget we are doing swapping to BNB. If you are okay, you just click swap. It's processing. The swap is complete. You just close. You can see that this funds has been moved to BNB token. The next thing you need to do now is to move this money from MetaMask to where you are going to send it to your PayPal account using P2P PayPal transfer at a better rate. This is ATM platform. You can easily transfer your money to your PayPal address on this platform. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up on this platform. You will see the link below the description of this video. If you use that link, you will get $3 as a gift from ATM. For you to transfer your money on MetaMask to your ATM wallet, you will click add. We are adding this money on MetaMask to your ATM wallet. You click browse. We will use Binance native token. You can see select payment method. So we want to get payment from MetaMask. You scroll down. We are using cryptos. So you click crypto. You scroll down. You can search for Binance. We are using Binance coin. You click Binance coin. You type the amount you want to move. For you to know the exact amount, you go back to your MetaMask. The total amount you have is $11.83. So you can try to move $11.50. $11.50, which is this. So you copy this, you bring it here, you come to this place, you click send. To move this money now to your ATM, you click send. So this is the amount you want to get from MetaMask. You scroll down. If you are okay with the rate, you scroll down. You click continue. The objective is to send the money from MetaMask to a peer, while the peer will release the money for you so that you can add it to your wallet on this platform. You can see that the transaction is completed. The funds is added to my account. You can see add funds completed. The first stages is concluded. The money has been credited to my ATM wallet. You can also see my MetaMask wallet has been zeroized. Look at it. There is nothing on Binance BNB again. The JMPT token is 0. Watch this video. It's going to take you through how to transfer your cryptos from MetaMask to ATM step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. So the next thing you need to do now is to move this money to your PayPal. To do that, you come back to home inside ATM. This amount is because I have some money on my ATM before, but you can see the amount that was moved to me, $11.50. This is the amount. So to move this $11.50 to your PayPal, you click withdraw. Because you are now withdrawing the money away from ATM, don't forget that you can get a gift of $3 if you sign up to ATM platform. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and you will get that gift of $3. To withdraw, you click this withdraw, or you can click this one too. So we click withdraw. It will also take 4 stages. So you are moving this money, $11.50 from here to PayPal. You click here, you scroll down, you type PayPal here, you scroll down. For you to move money to PayPal on ATM, it will require 2 stages. If you are moving less than $15 or more than $15, because the money we are moving is $11.50, you click less than $15. So you scroll down. You can see the minimum amount you can transfer to PayPal is $1. And if you are transferring this $11.50 $1.50. This is the amount you get in your paper. You can see that the fee and the charges is very minimal. All you need to do is to scroll down to continue. To continue, it will take you just 1 minute to conclude this transaction through another person that you will send this money to that has a paper, and that person will now send the money to your own paper for you to conclude this transaction so that you can send your earnings on Honeygain to paper very fast, less than 1 minute. Watch this video. In this video, you will learn how to use ATM P2P paper method, paper transfer, to move your earnings on ATM directly to your paper account or any paper address. It is a real demo and it is very fast transaction. Thank you. You can now withdraw your Honeygain directly to your paper using ATM P2P paper method. If you use this method, you are going to save a lot of money. Not only that, ATM will be giving you a gift of $3 if you use my link, which is below the description of this video, to sign up to ATM. You will only get that gift if you use the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. The next video will take you through how to get more free money like Honeygain. No work, no investment. And the second video, you'll be able to learn how to use ATM platform to your advantage. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.